विद्यानिकेतन।
Children, we finished reading the poem and I explained the meaning of the poem. Now we will discuss the exercise questions. So in page number 2, you can see the comprehension and answer these questions. So the first question is, when did the boy wake up? You need to tick the correct answer. So when did the boy wake up? Did the boy wake up at 9 o'clock or at daybreak or before the morning? Which is the correct answer? When did the boy wake up? The boy wake up before the morning. So C is the answer. You need to tick the correct answer. The boy wake up before the morning. Now the second question, which of the following is false? Tick the correct answer. So you have to identify the false statement. So we will read first the three statements. The first one is the boy was happy all the day. The second one is the boy forgot his prayer. And the third one is the boy was happy because he was good. So we'll take the first statement. The boy was happy all the day. Is it true or false? It's true. The boy was happy all the day. And the third one, the boy was happy because he was good. That is also true, because we read in the poem that the boy was happy and because he was good. What about the second statement? The boy forgot his prayer. So that is the false statement. Now we will go to the third question. Why will no ugly dream frighten the boy's mind? So what is the answer? Why will no ugly dream frighten the boy's mind? Because the boy was sure that he was a good boy all the day. The boy was sure about himself. He was sure that he was a good boy all the day. So no ugly dream will frighten the boy's mind. Now the next question, I will send you the answers and you can write question number 3, 4 and 5 in your notebook. The first and the second question, you can tick the answers in the textbook itself. Whereas question number 3, 4, 5, you have to copy down to your notebook. I'll discuss the answers first, then I'll send the answers and you can copy it from that. Okay. So we'll go to the next question. What will the boy hear the next morning when he wakes up? What will the boy hear the next morning when he wakes up? What will the boy hear? The boy will hear the thrushes singing round the lawn. The boy will hear the thrushes. What is the meaning of thrushes? Songbirds. So boy will hear the birds singing. So the answer is the boy will hear the thrushes singing round the lawn. And the last question is, write 3 good things the boy did in the course of a day. You can write any 3 good things that the boy did in the course of a day. So the first one you can write, he woke up before the morning. That is a good thing. He woke up before the morning. Then the second one you can write, he never said a bad word. He never used a bad word. So that is another good thing. And the third one is, he did not forget his prayer. Now next is, read the following list of time expressions. So below given is a list of time expressions. You have to order them correctly from first to last. So one example is written here. Here comes now. So you have to order them correctly from first. So I'll give you some hints. You try it by yourself and then I will send you the answers. So the first one should come as, here the time expressions given are half an hour ago, last night, tomorrow, now, yesterday evening, 5 minutes ago, the day before yesterday, last Sunday, last year, next week, in 2020. So if you want to order them correctly, and if now should come here, you have to start from last year. So first will be the first time expression will be last year, then comes last Sunday, then the day before yesterday, then come yesterday evening. Like that, you have to order them correctly. And the last one will be in 2020. So this much hints I am giving you. Now try this by yourself. So the first one, it should start from last year. Last year, then comes last Sunday. Then the day before yesterday. That will be the third one, the day before yesterday. And the fourth one will be yesterday evening. Yesterday evening. Like that, you have to order the time expressions, and the last one will be in 2020. Try it by yourself, and after that I will share you the answer. Now next is sounds and pronunciation. You have to find out rhyming words which rhyme with the words given in each row. For example, the first one, it's day, play, way. So the pronunciation is coming A. So you have to find out 3 more rhyming words which rhymes with these words. So the first one I will help you. The rest you have to do it by yourself. You can try, and after that we will check it with the answers. So the first one is day, play, way. The next one will also be way, but the spelling is different. W-A-Y, way. So way, both the pronunciation for way and way, the spellings are different and the meaning is different, but they have the same pronunciation. W-A-Y, way. Next one, the next one will be R-A-Y, ray, way, ray, may. Next one will be may, M-A-Y, may. So once more, day, play, way, again way, but the spelling is different. W-A-Y, way, ray, R-A-Y, may, M-A-Y. So W-A-Y, R-A-Y, M-A-Y. Once more, way, ray, may, way, ray, may. Day, play, way, way, may, ray. Like this, you have to find out the rhyming words which rhyme with these. Would, good, should. So you have to find out 3 more rhyming words. Fair, prayer, hair. Next one is arise, eyes, tries. So these 3 also you do it by yourself, and after that we will cross check with the answer.
Purnodaya Vidyaniketan